Do you want to look like you're doing something, Rizwan?
Oh yeah, you do this.
Aiden is just getting some drone shots, and we've already set up our shot here. They're gonna sit right over there. This is Sheila, our model for the project. You wanna give your Instagram handle?
Sure, my Instagram is Shayla Laza with Z TV. So go check it out. And I'm so excited for this video. It's gonna be really romantic and awesome. It's my first time doing this romantic video.
Oh,
so
that's
I'm
exciting.
I'm ready, 3, 2, 1, and go. Go, come on. Teach him how to do it. They're like, no, you're doing it wrong. It's probably not visible. Okay. Can you see anything over here? This is all covered.
Everybody's in the way. I can't see anything right now.
That's true. Look back at the bowl. Come on, go for it. Faster. So Bollywood.
How are you feeling about the car shot?
Oh, excellent.
Really?
We're gonna nail it the first time.
Oh, great. You're not nervous at all? Great, great.
I'm not driving.
Tell someone to do his...
Okay.
Oh, he figured out the trick. There we go.
All right.
My name is Salman Mithani. I am a YouTube artist.
Hit a high note for sure.
मैनू इश्क दा रोग चढ़िया हाय रब्बा मैनू इश्क दा रोग चढ़िया हाय रब्बा.
Oh, beautiful.
कि मेरी सांसें चलती हैं बादलों से.
How do you like this so far?
Everything is amazing. I'm the director of photography today, and everything looks good.
Manager, are you happy?
Yes, I'm very happy. Rizwan is awesome. He's awesome. Everybody's awesome. We're so blessed to have everybody working.
Woohoo!